In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Freshbooks account. Freshbooks, a popular accounting software for small business owners, freelancers, and professionals, offers a simple way to manage books and invoices. But there comes a time when you may need to close your account, whether it's due to a shift in your business or you're exploring other accounting options. If you're at this crossroads, you're in the right place. Closing your Freshbooks account is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure the process is as seamless as possible. Start by navigating to the Freshbooks website. Once you're there, locate the login button on the home page. This will typically be found in the top right corner. Clicking on this will take you to the login page, a significant first step in accessing your account and making any changes. For those who have linked their Google accounts to Freshbooks for an easier sign-in process, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. Click on this button. You'll be prompted to choose your Google account if you're not already signed in. Select the account associated with your Freshbooks subscription and hit enter to proceed. Once logged in, your next stop is the dashboard. Here, look for your profile photo, which should be located at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this will bring down a menu with various options. From this menu, select Billing and Upgrade. This option will direct you to a section where you can manage your subscription details, among other things. In the Billing and Upgrade section, you'll need to scroll down to the bottom of the page. It's important not to rush this part. Take your time to carefully navigate through the options. At the bottom, you'll find the Cancel Your Account button. This button is crucial as it's your gateway to initiate the cancellation process. Clicking on Cancel Your Account isn't the last step, as Freshbooks will ask you to confirm your decision. You'll see a Continue to Cancel button appear. This is Freshbooks' way of ensuring that you're certain about your decision to leave. Click on this button to proceed. By selecting Continue to Cancel, you'll be taken through the final steps of the cancellation process. Freshbooks might ask for feedback on why you're leaving and confirm one last time that you wish to delete your account. Providing feedback is optional, but it can be valuable for Freshbooks to understand why users decide to leave and how they can improve their services in the future. Once you've confirmed your wish to cancel the account, Freshbooks will process your request. Remember, depending on your billing cycle, you might want to ensure you're cancelling at a time that makes the most sense for you to avoid unnecessary charges. Also, consider exporting or saving any important financial data from Freshbooks before you fully deactivate your account, as you won't have access to this information afterward. And that's it. You've now successfully navigated the process of deleting your Freshbooks account. It's a simple procedure, but taking it step by step ensures you don't miss any critical parts of the process. Whether you're moving to a different accounting software or no longer need the service, knowing how to properly close your account is important. Remember, choosing accounting software is a significant decision for managing your business's financial health. It's always a good idea to research and consider your options carefully before making any changes. If you're considering returning to Freshbooks in the future or need a new accounting solution, plenty of resources and comparisons are available online to help guide your decision. We hope this video has been helpful in guiding you through the process of cancelling your Freshbooks account. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to the Freshbooks support team or leave a comment below. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your future endeavours and business success.